Hi guys, I'm Jelmar M. Pascual, a registered criminologist, and welcome to Criminology Pointers online review. Today I'm gonna give you some exercises. So it is a scenario type about homicide, parricide, murder, and infanticide. So alam ko naman na alam nyo na yung mga basic facts sa mga yan. Like, killing of less than 3 days of child is infanticide. Killing of another with qualified circumstances is murder. So, ang gagawin natin yan is bibigyan ko kayo ng scenario, tapos aalamin natin kung ano yung crime na nakomit ng offender. Okay, so let's start. Suppose that Carlo killed his live-in partner Ariana and their 3 days old daughter. What are the crimes committed by Carlo? A. Murder. B. Parricide. C. Homicide and parricide. Or D. Parricide and infanticide. The answer is homicide and parricide. Homicide for killing of his live-in partner Ariana and parricide for killing of his 3 days old child. So, unahin natin ang homicide. The fact that there is no qualifying circumstances stated in this scenario, it will not constitute a murder. So, later on, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga qualifying circumstances ng murder. And number 2 reason is that there is no clear evidence of marriage between Carlo and Ariana. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa sila kasal and they are just live-in partner. At ang pagpatay sa live-in partner will not constitute to parricide. Maaaring homicide lang ito or murder, as the case may be, but on this scenario, absence of qualifying circumstances and no clear evidence of marriage, killing of his live-in partner is homicide only, not murder, and definitely not parricide. Next is killing of his 3 days old daughter. Bakit parricide naman at hindi siya infanticide? The reason is that the daughter is 3 days old at the commission of the crime, and under Article 255, the child must be less than 3 days old to constitute a crime of infanticide. So ano ba yung sinasabi kong parricide? Under Article 246 of the Revised Penal Code, any person who killed his father, mother, child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, any other legitimate ascendants, any other legitimate descendants, or legitimate spouse shall be punished for the crime of parricide. So, ang mahalaga naman dito sa parricide is yung bond relation between the offender and the victim. Pero tulad nga ng sinasabi nila, in every law, there is an exemption. Hindi lang katugo dito is yung spouse, provided that the spouse must be legitimate in order to constitute a parricide. So, if you kill your mother, father, or child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, killing of legitimate descendants, yung mga lolo at lola nyo, and legitimate descendants, yung mga apo at kaapo-apuhan nyo, is parricide. Pero kung ang pinantay nyo naman is your brother or sister, uncle or aunt, nephew or niece, adopted parents, and adopted child, ang magiging kaso nyo is murder or homicide as the case may be. So, maliwanag na tayo dyan, ha? Number 2. Suppose that Juliet and Gerard was having an affair. In order to kill Josh, Juliet's wife, Juliet asked Gerard to put poison on the drink of Josh that caused him immediate death. What was the crime committed by Gerard? A. Murder. B. Parricide. C. Homicide. D. No crime. The answer is murder. So, maliwanag naman yan. Alam nyo na yan. So, using poison to kill another is murder. A is a married woman who gave birth to a living child. But in order to conceal her dishonor, immediately after she gave birth, She put the infant on a box and disposed the same to the river nearby, which was resulted the instant death of the child. The mother was guilty of what crime? A. Murder, B. Infanticide, C. Homicide, or D. Parricide. The answer is infanticide. Killing the child less than 3 days old constitutes the crime of infanticide, whether the accused are the parents, grandparents, or relative of the child or stranger. However, if the accused is the parents or legitimate grandparents, the penalty should be equal to parricide, but the crime is always infanticide. And if committed by a stranger, the penalty should be equal to murder, but the crime is always infanticide. In relation to question number 3, which is true about the following? A. The liability of the mother will be mitigated for the reason of concealing her dishonor. Or B. The penalty of the mother will be higher considering she killed his own child. Or C. The mother should be exempt from criminal liability. The answer is A. Only the mother and maternal grandparents of the child are entitled to the mitigating circumstances of concealing dishonor. Therefore, any person who killed a less than 3 days old child, except mother and maternal grandparents, or either of them, with the reason is to conceal the dishonor of the mother, will not be entitled to the mitigating circumstances.